just one-shot him.
range.
I
I think
just
the main issue with
one-shotted him.
I mentioned it, but the main issue with the harpoon is the range, because I literally it fires for all of 2 inches and then it comes back to me. So yeah, that's kind of a problem.
Yeah.
Alright, 5 platinum.
I'm telling you.
It's my job now. 5 why did kill? I do not like the teleports behind you. Really do not like that.
Okay, so I'm gonna try it now. So I have 541 Crimtan ore. Sells for 48 gold, 69 silver. Nice.
Make sure there's no other ore in there.
No Crimtan bars and no other ore. 180 Crimtan bars. 72 gold.
Oh, I guess you're right then.
It does sell for
Now
more.
it's time to do this.
Not a ton more, but it's still worth it.
I one-shotted him.
Where are you?
I'm up here, up top. God, dude, the ponish hammer.
It's so good.
It's just so good for farming. Oh. Oh, hey, I got sugar bag.
Yes!
You beat it?
I don't have to play this anymore, let's go.
Yo.
Subscribe to XC Phantom YT.
Oh my god, shut up, bitch.
It's
Oh,
it's
shut the fuck up.
it's fine. Oh god, that is level